Hey guys, Joe Pye here at Advanced Innovations. Welcome back. YouTube has a policy on weapons-related videos that they're going to start enforcing in mid-April. So out of respect for the policy and in order to maintain my standing with the YouTube community and the YouTube channel people, I will voluntarily remove all 11 of the AR-15 related videos that I posted. Now, if you're not a gun person, and these videos weren't hugely successful, so obviously my community is more about machining than about guns. But this series was shot over a period of 5 weeks and included some very technical machining demonstrations. It was not more about building a gun, it was really about the requirements and certain unique holding, fixturing, locating philosophies used in the production of that. Now, there's only a couple of them that are really going to show anything outside of conventional machining. And out of the 8 videos that are showing the machining, videos number 3, number 4, and number 5, number 8, let's say there's 4 of them. 3, 4, 5, and 8 are worth watching. Number 3 is a pocket milling and a broach prep machining. Number 4 is the actual broaching of that feature. So if you've never shaved anything in manually on a Bridgeport, made a vertical rectangular hole that you cannot mill, number 4, if you're going to only watch one, watch number 4. Number 5 is thread milling and some cool surface milling where we make a radius on a radius with a round nose tool and the machine just goes after it. So it's pretty cool, number 5. Number 6 is boring. Number 8 is a great video that shows an angled setup and the location of a vertical feature from a horizontal feature as well. Anyway, just figured I'd shoot this as a courtesy. I'm going to post this video. I'm going to let this video ride for about 2 days, and then all 11 of these videos will be pulled from YouTube out of respect for the policy, and I'd like to maintain my good standing with the community, so I'm going to do that. I would like to say to my fellow gun channel guys that, I'm not a gun channel, but to the guys that make their living with gun channels, good luck in your battles getting your customers back in the door. I hope that your business doesn't shut down because of this shift in policy with YouTube, and I hope that your future is bright and profitable as it has been in the past. So anyway, guys, check them out. You got 2 days to do it, then they're gone. Anyway, Joe Pye, Advanced Innovations, Austin, Texas.